forgot to give you the name of the skill on number 13. It is probability, and that is chapter 2 in the Achieve book. Number 14, this is a geometry question. I'm guessing it's volume, but I need to read it first. The following storage tank has a cylindrical top and a conical bottom. Conical means cone, or coming from a cone. The diameters of the cylinder and the base of the cone are each 30 inches. The height of the cylinder is 35 inches, and the height of the cone is 20 inches. What is the best approximation of the volume of the tank? Use pi equals approximately 3.14. So this is a volume problem, and that's going to be lesson 7.4, I believe. It is a composite figure because it's two shapes put together. So let's take the volume of a cylinder and the volume of a cone. So for a cylinder, volume is going to be, let me look, I use pi r squared h, but let's take a look at the formula that the HiSET exam will use. And this is going to be back on the test itself. Let me find the formula sheet. Here we go. So the volume of a cylinder, I thought I would need to look at this, is the area of the base times the height. So this is going to be the base area times the height. So the base of a cylinder is a circle, so we need the circle area, which is pi r squared. And then the height of the cylinder is going to be the h. So we have 3.14. The radius here, if the diameter is 30, the radius is 15. And we want to use the radius squared. And I've picked up a line here of some kind. So let's get that out of there. And then the height of just the cylinder is 35. So volume will be pi times 225, that's the 15 squared, times 35. And I'm going to use the calculator to do this. And that's going to be 24727.5 cubic inches. And then the volume of the cone, let's get that one. And I will go back to the formula page, is 1/3 the area of the base times the height. So that formula is 1/3 times the base area times the height. Again, the base of a cone is a circle. So we would do the pi r squared, and then we would multiply by the height of the cone. So we have 1/3 times pi times radius squared, that's 15 squared, and then the height of the cone is just 20 inches. So again, 15 squared is going to be 225. And then I will just get my calculator and type all of this in one step. The 1/3 is a fraction, so you would do all clear. 1 ABC3 times 3.14 times 225 times 20. And that is 4,710 cubic inches. And because this is a composite figure, we need to combine the two components. So I'll just add this on. We do have some rounding involved because of the pi approximation. So here is the composite volume. So I like answer B on this one. They have rounded up to the nearest whole number, but that is still the closest of those answer choices.